Hey, how's it going? Jeff Aman here with a Spyvio review. Also have some bonuses for you. Now this review is actually going to be very short because I'm going to take you into the back office. I've also got a demo of the creator of the software himself going through the software in less than 3 minutes. Alright, so you're going to know in less than 3 minutes when you see this demo video if you're going to like this software or not. I think it's really awesome. The main thing that I think it's awesome for is because you're going to be able to essentially spy on everybody's funnel. So funnel hacking is huge in the ClickFunnels. I mean, that's their motto, right? ClickFunnels and funnel hacking. And essentially what funnel hacking means is going through a ton of different funnels, seeing which funnels are actually converting, and then modeling your own funnels on that. Not stealing or anything like that, but being able to model these funnels from these businesses that are doing millions of dollars every single month, year, etc. So you can have the ability to actually use this software, find any funnel that you'd like without having to opt in and go through the upsells and everything like that. You put in the URL and then it automatically populates all the pages in the funnel. It's really cool. You're also going to be able to spy on competitors' ads that are actually getting results, and you're also going to be able to spy on people's emails. So if you're on somebody's list, you're going to be able to bring up all their emails up in inside the software. Then you're going to be able to actually edit right there inside the software. And so once again, you can model seven-figure email marketers, and you can model their emails and use them for your own as well. All right, so pretty cool piece of software all the way around. Right now, let's go ahead and get into the bonuses. Feel free to go right to the demo if you'd like, but I did put together a hell of a package of bonuses for you, and put a lot of work into it, and it is very cool. A lot of custom bonuses from my for myself, the trainings that I've done, and also a ton of awesome access, a ton of awesome products that you're going to get access to 100% for free. These are products, excuse me, these are products that are still selling on Warrior Plus right now, and selling like hotcakes. We're talking over 3,000 copies on a lot of these products, and I've personally been through them myself and learned a ton. So the bonus package rocks. Then after the bonuses, we're going to get right into I'm going to show you the back office, and then we're going to get into the demo. Like I say, it's less than 3 minutes long, and then you can make your decision and see if this is going to be good for your business or not. All right, so that being said, let's get to the bonuses and then the demo.
All right, so this is most likely going to be the longest part of the video simply because I've got so much darn value that I've put together for you. These are bonuses that you're actually going to love and want to use. And why did I put that up there? Well, you see a lot of bonuses out there that are frankly crap. All right, so they're just PLR hashed out stuff that you're never actually going to use or need because it's outdated and simply is of no value to you. But as you're going to see on this page, I've got quite a bit of awesome stuff that I've put together for you. First and foremost, you're going to get access to a free FX funnel account. Now, this is a software that is up there on par with ClickFunnels, GroovePages, Converttree, Lead Pages. You're going to be able to create quality pages just like these other page builders that cost a monthly fee. You're going to be able to get access. So if you've been kind of on the fence and you haven't gotten access to a page builder because of the monthly fees, you're going to absolutely love FX Funnel. You need to be using funnels in your marketing if you want to be building your email list, making profits, making long-term profits. So this is your way to do that. 100% free, guys. The front end is 100% free. You're also going to get access to my affiliate marketing training. Not all affiliate offers are created equal. There are a few affiliate offers that I've been using for years that earn me thousands of dollars. They're evergreen offers, and I've got full-blown training on these affiliate offers, and I'm going to go over them in depth with you. I think you're really going to like that training. Additional custom bonuses from me. My ad group marketing miracle course. This is a recent course that I just put out, and it is generating me a ton of leads every single day. Free leads. Probably my favorite course that I've ever put out, and I think you're going to love it. My Profit Swift YouTube automation course. I've been using this for a couple of years now. It's going to allow you to get automated traffic from YouTube without having to upload any videos of your own. Profit Evolution training. I'm going to show you how to make money using giveaways. This is one of the secrets that allows me to turn one lead into two. Basically doubles the amount of leads that I'm getting. Push Profits training. This is a training on push notifications, how to put one line of code on your website, and you can easily start building a push notification list that you can send to just like an email list. 10 to 20 hot leads per day using safe lists. Safe lists are highly effective, yet they're looked over and looked down upon by a lot of marketers. However, I've been using them for years, and they always get me hot leads, some of the hottest out there. Instagram lead pump course. I'm going to show you how to siphon leads off of Instagram without having to have an Instagram account yourself. All right, so even if you don't have an Instagram account, I'm going to show you how to get a ton of leads from Instagram. My solo ads cheat sheet. I'm going to show you how to get a ton of leads using solo ads. However, solo ads have gotten a bad name recently because there are a lot of sellers out there that will send you bot traffic, a lot of shady traffic. And so I've got a list of solo ad sellers that are actually legit and will send you real traffic that'll convert to sales for you. I'm going to show you how to easily rank YouTube videos on the first page. I've been ranking videos for a few years now. They continue, some videos that I've ranked years ago continue to get me leads, sales every single day. And, you know, I ranked them years ago. Additional premium courses that are not mine. You're going to get free access to the pro version of Equinox from Brendan Mace. This is a very cool piece of software that is going to allow you to go out and find broken links in YouTube, pick up those domains, and then send that traffic to any affiliate offer you choose. The No List Secret from Brendan Mace and Ashley Pari. Essentially, you're going to be able to learn Gmail ads. You're going to get free access to Formula 10K from Brendan Mace and Philip Johansson. This is a full-blown course on launch jacking. It's going to show you how to find courses that are about to launch, products that are about to launch, and then be able to get in front of the people who are searching for those products right when they're launching to make sales. All right. You're going to get access to The Awakening by Brendan Mace and Shaheen Destani, access to Fuego Breakout, access to Fuego Multiplier, access to El Bandito, access to The Secret Weapon. And feel free, guys, to look up these products. They are on the market right now, still making sales right now. Each one of these products is has done over 3,000 sales. We're talking about recent products that have launched that are still making sales today and that are very highly relevant that you're going to learn a ton from and want to get access to. Free access to Profit Ascension, access to James Skoll's full blog SEO course, and his MCU YouTube views course. James is an underground marketer. I call him underground simply because he doesn't do affiliate marketing and he doesn't do product launches. He has a few products of his own, but he is a master at getting traffic, and we're talking about hundreds of thousands of subscribers, guys. He knows his stuff. If you go through these courses, you can get a ton of valuable information. These courses that I've gone through from James, I've paid hundreds of dollars for courses that don't even come close to what you're going to get here. You're going to get access to Jono's launch jacking case study, access to Bing Ads Mastery training, access to 33 relationship building emails from Cam Jennings. You're going to be able to throw these emails into your autoresponder and build a bond with your list and make sales at the same time. You're going to get access to Lindgren's Lazy Method, access to Bang Bang Profits, access to 0 Hour Workdays, access to Urgency Suites Pro, which is going to allow you to put countdown timers and urgency bars in your websites and in your emails, which is really cool. You're going to get access to 10x commissions from Brendan Mace. You're also going to get access to a webinar teaching how myself and many others are earning 100% passive income in the Forex market. All right, so these are your bonuses, guys. This is a huge bonus package with, like I say, bonuses you're actually going to love and want to use. All right, so these are going to show up with your purchase automatically. Just go ahead and usually under the purchase button, you'll see the bonus button, and you'll be able to get all these automatically. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, so here we are in the members area, the back office of the software. These guys always come out with some really cool software. The last product that I reviewed from them is a software called Content Gorilla, which was really innovative. It's really cool, and this is no different. All right, so these are the 3 tabs that you're going to want to pay the most attention to: the inbox, the ads, and the funnels. Here's where you're going to be able to spy on people's emails, different marketers' emails. Here is where you're going to be able to spy on profitable ads. And here is my favorite part. It's the funnel part. All right, so what we're going to do real quick, we're going to go to, I'm in the funnels right now. We're going to go to Spy New Funnel. And I want to spy this a funnel by Matt Basak. And it's the secret email system. So I want to see what's in this funnel. All right. And all we're going to do, sorry about that, all we're going to do is come here and we're going to push search. All right. Guys, check this out. All right, so I just typed in the capture page, the front end of that funnel. And as you can see here, it's going to show me every single page in the funnel. All right. So let me go back. Yeah. Oops, I just didn't wait long enough. But it's going to show every single page in the funnel. Let me just go ahead and do that one more time. And then we can push any page we want, and then we can push that little button here, and it's going to actually show you the page. All right, so you're going to be able to come through before you even you can spy any funnel that you want to. You can see their thank you pages, their upsells, their down sales, everything. Maybe you want to purchase a product and you want to see what the hell their upsells are before you purchase, and you want to make sure that they're not going to screw you by adding in upsells that it's gonna, you're gonna have to buy the upsell in order for the product to work, because there are a lot of shady vendors out there like that do that you'll buy something on the front end, and then they'll, the first upsell is gonna be like, all right, well, what you just bought is kind of gonna work, but you're gonna really need this if you really want it to work, something shady like that. So this is going to be a great way to spy your competitors, or as a customer myself, I am I continue to learn all the time in this industry, and so I do purchase a lot of products to continue my education. So I'm going to be using this to see what upsells there are if I really like a course, and I'm planning on purchasing it myself. How cool is that? All right, so this software, guys, really cool. The funnel part is definitely my favorite, but like I say, you're going to be able to spy on people's ads as well, and the inbox. Let me go ahead and cut over to the short 3-minute demo video from the creator. He's going to show pretty much all 3 different functions of this, and then that'll be it, guys. Of course, if you do purchase, automatically you are going to get access to that entire bonus package that you saw earlier in the video. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next review.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Spyvio to spy on your competitors' emails, ads, as well as funnels. So I'm in the area where we have a ton of ads and emails and sequences that we have already collected. We're starting to collect funnels as well because it's a new feature, and here's how this works. You go to inbox and you're able to grab an email address from us, which is this one, and sign up to any list that you want, and then we start collecting those emails. So as you can see, we've been collecting a ton of emails, about 200 different sequences here, and we've been collecting a lot of emails from Ben Settle, and as you can see, we have a ton of different emails here. We can also see exactly how often he sends these emails. So you can see it's almost about every 12 hours where he's sending an email. It changes though, and this gives you a very clear timeline as to when emails are sent. You can take any email that you want and you can do some cool things with it. So you can, for example, edit that email. So once you edit that email, you can remove some things, of course, remove anything that doesn't pertain to you, change it as you want, create spaces and whatnot, save a copy. And again, if you have 𝐒𝐴𝐬𝐬𝐿, you can also push this straight to 𝐒𝐴𝐬𝐬𝐿 as well. Now that's the email spy feature with an additional hidden trick where you can get leads of all these people that are mailing you. So all these people that are sending you emails, you can grab these leads and you can send them prospecting emails. So you can tell them, hey, your emails don't look very good. How about I use 𝐒𝐿𝐴𝐬𝐬𝐿 to make them look awesome? Now you can do a very similar thing with ads as well. We give you a Chrome extension. Anytime you come across ads on, say, Facebook or Google, you can just go ahead, capture those ads, and you can also add some entries for it. So that way you know exactly what you're capturing. We're not bringing you some old junky information, but you collect all this information, which is then later easily accessible for you. Of course, in our case, when you get the library as well, we are going to give you a lot of done for you ads and pre-collected emails as well. Now, a recent feature that's been added is the ability to spy on funnels as well. So if I want to spy on a funnel, all I have to do is click on this button and I can put in a funnel URL. There you go. So as you can see, we have all these different pages inside this funnel and I can look at them. I can do what I want with them. It gives me a preview, but I can also then just check them out and perhaps use them in my own business as well. If you want to see a full version, you can see the full version like this as well. So really, really powerful software that will help you grab emails, ads, and funnels from your competitors. Depending on the version you get, you also get access to a library, which, as I just showed you, has a ton of different sequences and ads at the moment. Over 10,000 different assets already included in the Done For You library. That's Spyvio, really awesome software that you can't do without if you're serious about building an online business.